Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to join a live broadcast on Instagram. This feature allows you to engage with your favorites, creators, and participate in real-time discussions. Let's dive into these steps. First, open your Instagram app and ensure you're logged in into your account. Once you're on your home feed, you can check for any live broadcasts happening right now by looking at the top of your feed. If someone you follow is live, you will see their profile picture highlighted with a color ring around it. As you can see, I can't find anybody live on my feed. So I'm gonna show you just by telling you what to do. To join a live broadcast, simply tap on their profile. This will take you directly into the live stream, where you can watch and interact with the content. You'll see a comment section at the bottom, where you can type messages, ask questions, or engage with other viewers. If you want to join a live broadcast as a participant, make sure to check if the host has enabled the option for viewers to join. During the live session, the host may invite viewers to join them on screen. If you see a notification or a prompt from your host inviting you to join, simply tap on the request to join button that appears. The host will receive your request and can choose to accept it, allowing you to join the live video. Once you're live with the host, you can interact directly, ask questions, and engage with the audience in real time. Keep in mind that the host can remove you from the live stream at any time if needed. If you missed the live broadcasts, don't worry. Most creators will save their live sessions to their profile for followers to watch later. You can check their profile and look for the live icon in their story highlights. And that's it. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to join a live broadcast on Instagram in 2024. If you found this information helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more Instagram tips and updates. If you have any question or topics you'd like me to cover in your future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.